probably like, anyway, so we have been, and still are, medieval medicine. Huzzah! We are going to sing one last song for you, which is one of our most important songs of all. So important. Because if there's one thing you can say about medical progress, it's that medical progress so in line with the insatiable demands of medical progress, we must have something of you, our friends. Cough it up. We need you all to give. Cough it up. Our patients want to live. Bed bugs, bed head. Find a cure for that. Simply cough it up and put some money in our hat. Okay, it's not a hat. It's actually a bedpan. But don't put in the bedpan what normally goes in the bedpan. Instead, you put money in the bedpan. Have you heard that laughter's the best medicine? I think you did earlier when we told you, unless you have diarrhea. So this is the most affordable healthcare you are going to find anywhere in the land. So I'm going to come around and collect your copay. We have something special for you. It's this golden circle. Go, go ah. Stick out your tongue. Go ah. Oh, you're very, very healthy. You should be part of the golden circle. What that is if you have a tip of $10 or more, you put it here in the golden circle, and we split those tips of $10 or more 50-50 with the American Cancer Society. Follow the Medieval Medicine Show on Facebook to see how much you helped us raise this year. We are off to an amazing start. We also take PayPal and Venmo. We can try to bill your insurance, but that might not work as well. We also have Bandcamp, where you can download our music, and we have CDs, original for 15, body for 10, both for 20, and we have these wonderful cooling towels. You get them wet, you can put them around your neck. They also make a great tourniquet if you got to take off a limb. You can wear them as a bandana to become a pirate or a cat cape. Those are $10, and we are out of our shot glasses because they sold out, but we will have more soon, so if we come back another weekend, you can see those. Make sure to come to our 4 o'clock Body Adult Only show and stick around next for Clearly Guilty. Cough it up. We're asking pretty please, cough it up. You can have complete disease. Turkey legs, flatulence. Find a cure for that if you simply cough it up and put some money in our hat. On the incredible juggler. Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Bob. We love you. Elton is so cool. Oh, now there's more people. Simply cough it up and put some money in our hat. We're asking pretty please, cough it up. You can help us treat disease. Lack of masculine vigor.